Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, April 16th, and this is my analysis for the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So, anyways, the Kiwi dollar is definitely still in an upside on all time frames. But we did have a break of structure right here yesterday, which would have been a little confusing for a lot of people. But there's a big difference between a break of structure and a rejection of structure. This over here, that is a break of structure. Look how strong it broke. It pulled back a little bit, but man, there's a big difference between this picture right here and this picture over here. Even over here, look how it broke structure. It broke with lots of momentum and just kept on going. It has not been able to break structure with momentum yet, so I definitely am still recommending longs in an uptrend until we do get that break of structure. We are at a Fibonacci level, so maybe it will break structure. But we don't really know that it's going to break structure. We don't really know if it's going to keep on going up, which is why I will continue to look for longs until the market tells me otherwise by breaking structure to the downside with a ton of momentum. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.